Hi, superstars. It is time for math. We are on lesson 5-3, counting, reading, and writing 16 and 17. You've learned the numbers 13, 14, and 15. You will learn the next two numbers in this lesson. Let's say that Filson has a toy collection on a shelf in her room. How can Filson show the number of toys that she has? Let's look at this number here. It is the number 16. Can you say 16 with me? 16. This right here is the number word 16. So Filson can use this number to show how many toys she has collected. I'm going to put some counters here to show the number 16. So we're going to use our 10 frame. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and one more for 16. We used 16 counters and we showed that there were 16 toys that Filson had. I want you to skywrite this number in the air. You start at the top, you go down, start at the top, go down, and around. And that is the number 16. Let's write the number 16 right over here on the left side of your worksheet. We start at the top, we go down, we start at the top, we go around, and that is the number 16. Let's do it again. And one more time, we're going to write it this time. We write the 1 and the 6, and that is the number 16. Okay, now Filson has 17 toys on her shelf that she's collected. How can we show how many toys Filson has on her shelf? This is the number 17, and this is the number word 17. Can you say that with me? 17. Let's use our 10 frame again, and we are going to draw in 17 counters. So we fill up our 10 frame with 10 counters. So that is 10 because we filled it up. We want 17. So we're going to add 7 more counters. So that's 10. We're going to start counting from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So we drew in 17 counters to show the 17 toys that Filson has on the shelf in her room. Let's now skywrite the number 17. Here is the number 17. We start at the top. You're going to write it in the air. Start at the top, go down, start at the top, go to the right, and come back down. Now we're going to write it on our worksheet. Always start at the black dot, go straight down, start at the dot, we go to the right, and then come down. That is the number 17. Let's write it again. And one more time. 17. Good job, superstars. Let's turn our page over. Let's look at our first box here. How can you tell how many toys there are? We can count them. What number do you see here? 17. Why do you think the number 17 is there? Because it tells us how many toys there are. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, oops, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are 17 toys. Let's look at our next box right here. How many counters are there? 17. So how is this box like the first box? Both of the boxes show 17 objects. Now, how is it different from the first box? This is another way to show 17. And in this picture, it shows counters instead of toys, right? So these are counters, and over here it's showing toys. Let's look in our third box right here. What do you think the number will be if you were to trace it? 17. Where do you start to trace the number? You always start at the first dot. All right, let's look in this box right here. What number do you see? 17. Why do you think the number 17 is in this box? It shows how many toys that there are. 17 toys. All right, let's look at our first problem. Let's look at problem number 1. Right up here. All right, let's count the toys, and then we're going to trace the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 stuffed toys. Let's trace the number 16. You always want to start at the top black mark. We do our 1 and our 6. That is 16. Can you say 16? 16. Good job. Let's go to number 2. All right, let's count these toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you're counting with me. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 toys. Let's trace the number 17 starting at the black dot. 17. Say 17 with me. 17. Good job. We are on number 3. I want you to make sure you're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We are going to write the number 16. We always start at that black dot and go down. We do the 1 first, and then the 6. And that is the number 16. Okay, let's go to number 4. Let's count these stuffed animals now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you're counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 toys. Let's write the number 17, starting from the top. 17. All right, let's do number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Write the number 16, starting from the top. 16. Make sure you're saying the number with me, and make sure you're counting. We're on number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Write 17 and make sure to say it. 17. Last problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Write it as neatly as you can and say that number, 16. Good job, superstars. Keep practicing your counting and writing your numbers. Until next time.